Hello, I just want to show you how to apply conditional formatting using Visual Basics on a typical problem on performance reporting. Now, the problem here is that you have regions and you have their respective budgets on a single column, and you also have the actual result for each region. So what I want to do is that I want to evaluate the performance by looking at comparing the budget, and what I want to also do is to make the cells, that is the rows for each region that has any shortfall than the budgets, to be highlighted as red. You can't typically do this with Microsoft Excel alone. The only way to automate this process is to use Visual Basics. Otherwise, you would have to do this manually. Of course, the conditional formatting tools cannot handle this kind of problem. So now, what about if you have 1,000 rows and you want to highlight only the cells that has their budget, that is only the rows which budget is short of the, whose performance is short of the budget. You want to highlight only those rows as red. So now I've written a procedure. If you go to the Visual Basics editor, I've written a procedure. Now this is the name of my sub procedure, compare results, and I declared a variable as current cell. This is the name of my variable, and now this variable, and what I want to do here, I use the for loop for each loop to loop through a collection of objects, and the collection of objects is anything that you select. Now I said for each range, because this variable is declared as range, for each range in selection, that is each range that is selected, I said if the range is, the value of the range is greater than the offset, that is the value of the range I'm looking at is the budget, and the offset is the actual, the column offset is the actual result. I said if the offset, the column offset, the value of the column offset is greater than, or that is if the budget is greater than the value of the column offset, then what I'm going to do is to highlight the column offset to the right of the budget, that is 2 columns to the right. You should highlight those cells as red. This is a column index which signifies red, and otherwise you should not format that cell as red, that is, you should not add any color. So it continues to loop with the for loop until all the cells, all the range that are in selection is finally evaluated. And then let's run this code and see how it works. Now if I remove these colors here, what I need to do first is that the way I wrote this code is that I need to select the range that has the budget. So when I run this code, it will look at where to compare the budget and the actual result and highlight the 2 rows to the right, cells where you have the budgets, that is the actual result short of the budget. Now if you add more, let's say you add more rows here, and let's assume that you have these as above the budget, and this is below the budget, and this is above the budget. Now let's assume I remove this. No matter the length, the number of rows, what I need to do is select the budget, then I run this code. You can see that the cells where, the rows where the actual performance is short of the budget is highlighted. if I actually want the actual results to be highlighted, so I need to go back to my code and change this to column offset of 1, that is one row to the right. So that means I have to select this, and then when I run this code, you see that this is highlighted. Let me remove this and rerun this code. So I want to remove this formatting. Okay. Now if I select this and I run this code, you can see that all the rows that have their budgets, their performance short of the budgets, are highlighted red. So this is how you can use, one way you can use VBA to automate Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching.